Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? Welcome to the vlog. Liam is up. Today, as you can see right behind me, the weather looks like shit. So we ain't got nothing planned for you guys. But there's something I want to share with you guys. A few days ago, we took this amazing cooking class and we have the footage. I definitely want to start this vlog off with showing you guys that. So here you guys go. Check out the cooking class we took a few days ago. I hope you guys enjoyed that footage that we took for the cooking class, but this is what I always do with Liam in the mornings. Keep him occupied with some toys. We call this the newspaper. What does it say, Liam? What does it say? What does the newspaper say today? Huh? Anything good? I usually can occupy him for like a good 30 minutes without him crying. So after a few hours, the weather looks a little bit better. Looks a lot better where the pool looks kind of inviting. So we're gonna take Liam to the pool. Come and join us for a great afternoon with the family, guys. Look at that! You look so cute! Look at that swimsuit you have on! Are you excited to go to the pool or what? You get to go swimming! James? Yeah, that's me. Yes, sir. So for dinner, guys, we got Grab and we got it at San Warung. This is what we got. We got the nasi goreng with chicken skewers right over here. And then we got the ayam bakar for 3 of these, which is chicken barbecue with sambal. Look at that. Oh, and the total for all 4 of these is 200,000, which equates to about $12 USD. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. So guys, I think that will be it for this vlog. But before I go, let me give you guys some information and my review for the cooking class. For the cooking class, it's called Poon Cooking Class. It's the #1 and the most busiest cooking class here in Ubud, and I highly recommend, if you guys are here, to definitely take this class. The class starts around 8 to 8:30 is when they pick you up. They'll take you to the market, which you'll be looking at the vegetables and the spices that you guys will be using, and then from there they'll take you straight to the cooking class. From the service to the food to just the experience itself is definitely worth it. The total cost for this was about $350,000, which is $22. We end up paying about $30, which included the tip. But like I said before, if you guys are in Ubud, definitely come and take this class. It's unbelievable and you guys will never forget this experience. But other than that, if you guys made it this far, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace out, guys.